India Space Congress 2022. India Space Congress 2022, ISC 2022, was organized from October 26 to 28 this year in New Delhi. India Space Congress is an international congress that brings together government, industrial experts, policymakers, thought leaders, legal professionals and academia in the space sector to discuss ways to ensure effective management of space exploration and also explore new disruptive space-based services and applications and viable business models. It also focuses on space situational awareness and cybersecurity. India Space Congress, ISC 2022, was organized by Satcom Industry Association, SIA India, with assistance from Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Ministry of Defence, Niti Aayog, In Space, New Space India Limited, NSIL, and the Department of Telecommunication. The theme for the event is, Leveraging Space to Power Next General Communication and Businesses. It brought together important stakeholders from the space agencies, industry and institutions, to discuss growth opportunities in space sector in India. During the three-day event, eminent persons shared their insights and strategies for the growth of the space sector. The event also provided opportunities for stakeholders to collaborate in India's space ecosystem to secure global and regional economic benefits. How have Indian space startups benefited from this event? During the ISC 2022, 5 spacetech startups pitched their ideas to industry leaders and investors at the session, Pitch Right for Skyrocketing Startups. These startups will take part in a specially curated mentorship program with senior executives of leading companies. Microsoft had announced partnerships with 15 space startups as an extension of its Startup Founders Hub program. This program provides free Azure credits worth maximum of $150,000 to 15 startups. What is the role of space technologies in the future?